Okay, so hi everyone, my name is Avner, and today we're going to be talking about this tree view square number. This is part of a tree view in a square number. So let's say I'm entering any number. Like what I mean by square number is this is mathematics. If I say 6, the square is going to be 36 because 6 power 2 or 6 squared is 36. So we have an entry. We write in the entry any number is going to give us the square number in a table. So here's how it's gonna work. Oh, it's the unknown thing. Exactly. Let's make the thickness too big. Okay, so here. So let's say I enter my square number as 6. Oh, sorry, that might not be good. 6. 6. What do I have to do with the 6? If I want to try finding square number of this, right? It's gonna be 6 power 2, because square means power 2. So 6 power 2. Okay, let me delete everything first. This pen is not good. But so if I say the number 6, right? The square has to give me 36 because 6 power 2, or you can say 6 squared, equals 36. So we gotta use double stars for our operation. If I say 12, the square number has to be 144 because 12 by the power of 2 or 12 squared. And you forgot 2. I forgot 2. So what do I do? 12 times 12. So let's just do 12 squared. Has to be 144. Okay, this is the mathematics we're gonna do. Okay? Ours the draw. But get back. Anyways, what else talking about? We're gonna get to the function. Let's get into the normal things. First, if you guys watch my videos, you know what this easy thing is, okay? Tree, we just make a variable equals to TTK. We use TTK, not TK. Okay, because you're making a table. Anyways, tree view, not tree view, because that's what we're doing, to make a tree view. Window, you always have to put that window, comma, columns equals to bracket, quotation mark, columns 1, comma, columns 2, and they both have to be in double quotes. The close brackets, sorry guys, show equals to heading in the double quotes. And then treat the heading columns 1, comma, text is number, columns 1 has to be in double quotes since this column 1 is in double quotes too. And the text has to be string. Same thing for the second one, but square number, then pack it, then make the entry as I said, then make a button command verify. Now here's where we're gonna get it today. So where's the thing? So define verify. Data equals to entry dot get, entry 1 dot get, because we need this data to find a square number. Then data 2 equals to integer, because it's right now string. If you do the print data type, that's gonna be string. So we make it integer because that's what we're supposed to do. You can't make 6 as a string and multiply by integer. Yes, you can't add it, nor subtract or power. You can only do an integer. So we make entry 1 an integer, power 2. Then data, we make a data 1 comma data 2. Then tree dot insert the values equals the data. So it's going to show data 1 and data 2. Okay, if we run the thing, there's a 0. Oh, that's my bad. There's the thing there. I don't think we have enough. Wait a minute. Let me try fixing this. Yeah. This is one view. Let's try running it. Okay. We need the console first. Uh, okay, this is gonna take some time to get the output. Okay, so I'll be right back. Cool. Yeah, I got it back, guys. Okay, I got it finally. Nothing in the console. So here, if I say 6, tell me that if you guys know this square, like power-ups, that power, why am I keep saying that power? Then tell me what the square number of 6. Tell me. You can pause the video. It's 36. If I say 12, that's 144. I'm basically giving you the answer right now. Let's say if I say 15. What's the answer? 225. Okay, let's say I'm gonna go 100. I think this is easy for you. Yeah, exactly. It's that easy. So what else can I do? 56. 56, you can take time. What am I doing? Okay. 10, 100. If I say 20, 200, 400, 2, 4. If I say 300. If you already know the square for 3, you can know it for 300. Okay, it's that easy. 30 is even easier. 900, right? The 3 square. Oh, I think that's if I can't go down, but you can probably see it. Let me go to the console. Okay, no errors. You just probably have to go down enough. Yeah. See over here. If I say 23. Yeah, see? 529. Okay, let me tell you something. If you know the situation and how to really do it before you even do the coding, you can actually do the coding if you know how to use the logic. If you know the logic, you can actually do the coding. The coding might be tough, but you still at least need to know the logic to actually at least do some of the coding or do the whole coding. That's why logic, using logical reasoning, is very important. This is a method you should basically use every time. So thank everyone for listening about my video about the street view of square number. I hope you like it.